90% of beginners walk into a gun shop and buy whatever the guy behind the counter pushes. The other 10% know something most people miss. They know the right rifle for learning is not about fanciest names or highest price tags. It is about three things: a platform that does not lie about accuracy, a design that absorbs recoil instead of punishing you, and the ability to grow without buying a completely different gun. Today, we are breaking down the 5 Remington systems that check every box. Not the most expensive, not the most hyped, the ones that actually teach you to shoot. Here is the deal. The Model 597 is a solid rimfire semi-auto, and if you are committed to the blowback mechanism from day one, you will absolutely learn how the parts move and cycle together. But for most beginners, especially younger shooters or people with a smaller frame, this gun has one problem that matters. That stock length of pull runs 14 inches. That is a full inch longer than what a teenager needs to shoot comfortably without muscling the rifle forward. The 597 uses a clever dual steel guide rail system, instead of letting the bolt carrier ride directly against the receiver walls. This means 2 parallel steel shafts take all the wear instead of one housing getting hammered. Remington coated those surfaces with nickel Teflon, which is slick enough that the gun runs wet with carbon and still cycles smooth after hundreds of rounds. That technical approach is solid engineering, and it shows in the accuracy downrange. The magazine button sits perfectly positioned above the trigger guard, where your trigger finger can flick it without shifting your grip. Combined with the last round bolt hold open feature, you get real feedback when the magazine is empty. You do not have to wonder. For a beginner, that is valuable. You get immediate confirmation that you are dry, which prevents the bad habit of pulling the trigger on an empty chamber and calling it training. But here is where it lands at number 5. The standard 14-inch length of pull makes it awkward for people under 5'8". A younger shooter ends up either rounding their back to reach the controls, or their cheek comes loose from the comb and the sight picture falls apart. You can swap in an aftermarket youth stock, but now you are adding cost and complexity for a beginner who just wants to pick up a gun and train. For most new shooters, Model 597 works best as a backup trainer after you have already grown into a longer system. Moving into the 4 spot is a gun that most people overlook, because it is simple, because it was made a long time ago, and because it does not have enough red dot tactical flash to get Instagram points. The Model 572 Fieldmaster is a pump-action rimfire that teaches you the most important lesson a shooter can learn. If you master the fundamentals, the gun is irrelevant. This rifle operates on a slide-action mechanism identical to the Remington 870 pump shotgun. That is not an accident. If you are planning to shoot home defense or hunting with a shotgun later, you want your hands to know the pump motion before you touch a 12 gauge. The 572 teaches that muscle memory perfectly, because every element is identical. Your grip position, your thumb placement on the safety, the way your support hand cycles the action back and forward. When you move up to the 870, your hands already know what to do. The core feature that makes this gun invaluable for beginners is that it cycles any flavor of .22 ammunition without complaint. Short, long, or long rifle, the gun does not care. You can mix them in the same magazine, and the 572 will run every single shot. That is reliability born from mechanical simplicity. There is no gas tube, no blowback sensitivity to chamber pressure, no magazine spring that gets finicky. The firing pin strikes, the hammer falls, the bolt cycles, and the next round feeds. A beginner does not fight the gun just works. My only gripe is that used models sometimes show wear on the finish, but that is cosmetic. The mechanical reliability is genuinely impressive for a gun that first shipped in 1954. If you want to spend 30 to 50 rounds per session learning trigger control and sight picture without fighting recoil or complexity, the 572 is unmatched. It earns the 4 spot because it is phenomenal, but it only shoots 22. The day you want to transition to center fire, you are starting over with a completely different gun. Stepping up the game here, the 783 arrived in 2013 as Remington's answer to the budget bolt-action market, and it fixed nearly every mistake the old 770 made. This compact version is built on a barrel nut design, borrowed from the Marlin XL7 and Savage platform. And that matters because it gives you accuracy guarantees without spending Marvel money. The floating bolt head system is the smart move here. Instead of the barrel getting screwed directly into the receiver like a traditional design, the 783 uses a steel barrel nut that seats the barrel into the receiver with a tight mechanical fit. Then a floating bolt head self-aligns with the chamber to handle the actual firing sequence. This eliminates tiny run-out errors that stack up across dozens of shots. The result is genuinely under 1 minute of angle accuracy right out of the box, even with factory ammo that costs nothing. For a new shooter on a budget, that is exceptional value. The crossfire trigger system on this rifle is a major upgrade from older Remington designs. You get a smooth trigger break at 3.5 pounds. That is clean, crisp, predictable. The safety lever sits in the middle of the trigger bow itself, which means you can manipulate it with your thumb without moving your grip or breaking your position. That ergonomic detail matters when you are learning trigger discipline because your hand position stays identical from shot to shot. The stock comes with pillar bedding, which means aluminum posts are driven through the wood and anchored to the receiver. This prevents the wood from settling or shifting as you shoot. Supercell recoil pads absorb the energy instead of transmitting it straight into your shoulder, which matters for a gun that is designed to be tight and compact. You are looking at around $600 to $700 for a complete package in .243 Winchester. Here is where the 783 lands at 3. It delivers under 1 minute of angle accuracy at an honest price point, and the design is fundamentally sound. But the aftermarket support is thin compared to the 700. Timney does not make a drop-in trigger for it, and custom chassis systems are sparse. For someone who wants to learn, shoot accurately, and move on to other platforms, the 783 is perfect. For someone who wants infinite upgrade potential, it sits in a middle ground that other guns own more completely. Entering the elite tier. The Model 7 was designed in 1983 to fill the gap between a standard rifle and a carbine, and it does something that separates it from every other gun on this list. It inverts the weight distribution problem that trips up smaller shooters. This rifle uses a short action inherited from the 700, but the barrel is cut down to 18.5 inches, with a profile that tapers aggressively from the breech to the muzzle. That taper looks dramatic, and it is. The front-heavy weight distribution of most rifles puts the center of gravity 6 to 8 inches in front of the magazine well. The Model 7 puts it directly above the trigger guard. Your support arm does not have to generate force to keep the muzzle up. Gravity is working with you, not against you. A shooter with smaller hands, a younger shooter, or a female shooter can raise and steady this rifle in half the time it takes to raise a standard .30-08. The technical brilliance here is the hammer-forged barrel with 5R rifling. 5R means 5 lands with alternating groove depths, instead of the traditional 6 or 8 uniform grooves. When a bullet travels down the barrel, the alternating pressure geometry reduces deformation. The bullet stays rounder, travels straighter, and your groups stay tighter. This is why precision rifles use 5R rifling. Remington put that advantage into a hunting platform, which means a beginner on the Model 7 will naturally shoot better groups simply because the mechanical design favors it. Feeding the 7 is where a beginner discovers the real pleasure of this gun. The 7mm 08 Remington is not exotic. It is a 7mm bullet squeezed into a .308 case. That gives you a flat trajectory and terminal performance that older conventional shooters respect. For hunting deer-sized game, the ballistics are clean. For training with reduced recoil loads built around H-4895 powder, you can dial the gun down to 1,300 feet per second and shoot all afternoon with minimal shoulder punishment. A young shooter, learning recoil management, will progress faster on this platform than on a full-power .30-08. The Model 7 earns rank 2 because it is genuinely special. It solves the ergonomic problem that standard rifles create for smaller shooters, and it does it through pure mechanical excellence. But it is not the universal choice. If you are a 6-foot-tall male with a big frame, the Model 7 feels a little underscale. You lose the long sight radius, and the compact proportions start to feel like you are shooting a gun one size too small. It is the right answer for roughly 50% of beginners. For the other 50%, there is a rifle that beats it comprehensively. This is the monster at number 1. Before you argue, understand what this gun represents. The 700 has been the foundation rifle for American shooters since 1962. It has been used to take everything from prairie dogs to elk. It sat in the hands of military precision teams for decades. The reason is simple. It works. The 3 rings of steel design is the foundation. The bolt face seals the back of the round with a deep recess that surrounds the case head. The barrel extends into a recessed shoulder on the receiver. The forward end of the receiver has a hardened steel ring that surrounds the bolt lug raceway. If a round goes high pressure, those 3 rings create a pressure funnel that directs everything away from your face. Beginners do not always think about safety as a mechanical design feature, but they should. The 700 makes you safe by engineering, not by hope. The compact versions of the 700 run a length of pull between 12 and 13 inches, which means the gun actually fits someone 5'4" or a teenager who is still growing. Unlike the 783, the 700 market has access to every single aftermarket modification ever engineered for a rifle. Timney triggers, TriggerTech triggers, custom barrels, chassis systems, tactical stocks, competition ergonomics. The list is endless. A beginner can start with an ADL compact at $699, and that same platform scales all the way up to a $40,000 competition rifle. You never outgrow it. You upgrade it. The accuracy standards are non-negotiable. These compact configurations ship with factory ammunition that consistently groups under 1 inch at 100 yards. That is not luck. That is engineering. The barrel is cold hammer forged, which means it starts as a solid rod of steel, and a precise forge process compresses the metal and creates the rifling in one operation. This creates 0 voids, 0 weak points, and 0 surprises. The 5R rifling profile regenerates every 100 rounds or so as the barrel settles, which means early groups sometimes tighten instead of spread. Here is why it sits at number 1. The 700 gives you the hard safety of 3 rings of steel engineering, the compact ergonomics that work for 90% of beginner body types, the accuracy that lets you blame the shooter instead of the gun, and an upgrade ecosystem that has no competitor. It gives you the rugged reliability of the Model 7. It delivers the budget-friendly under 1 minute of angle accuracy of the 783. It does not make you fight a stock that was built for someone else. And the day you want to tune it beyond factory configuration, the aftermarket support is genuinely infinite. Most channels stop at the 2nd or 3rd gun. The 700 is the rifle that stops you from ever needing another platform, until you want one, because this one has become something unrecognizable. So here is what you are actually looking for if you are buying your first centerfire rifle. You want a design that was built in 1962 and has not stopped being built since, because it works. You want a stock that fits your actual body, not some made-up average. You want accuracy you can count on without spending a fortune on ammunition. And you want the knowledge that when you get better, the gun scales with you instead of holding you back. The Remington Model 700 Compact does all four, every single one. If you are tired of YouTube channels that hype the newest gear and ignore the fundamentals, if you want the truth about what actually matters at the range and in the field, and if you are ready to stop wasting time and money on the wrong platform, lock it in right here and let us know what rifle brought you to this channel. Train hard, stay safe, and I will see you downrange.